Okay, so let's have a temporary solution dun sa BPI app in Huawei cellphone na ang lumalabas threat found and bigla na lang magko-close ulit. So this is the solution. So I try to search different solution, but again I find different answer. So nag-decide ako na mag-message na sa mismong BPI regarding the problem. So I asked this question, how to fix BPI problem? And then I click number 1, Gulf help with moving to the new BPI app. And then merong series of questions dito and I choose number 7, why won't the app open in my device? So ito yung naging answer ng BPI. So here are the possible reasons and what you can do about it. And doon sa mga nakaka-encounter na ang lumalabas sa BPI app nila na naka-installed sa Gbox is either your phone is rooted, modified, jailbroken, or at risk. So, based sa explanation nila, doon sa bagong nirelease ng BPI app, for security purposes, the BPI app will only open on devices that aren't modified. So, there is a chance na yung Huawei app natin, or Huawei cellphone natin is modified. Kaya may lumalabas na threat found. Now, meron bang solution? So based here, some malicious apps pose as pre-antivirus apps and are also considered a device case, so it's best to uninstall this first. Now, kung talagang modified yung cellphone natin o yung Huawei phone natin, we can still access the online BPI through this link. So for now, ito lang muna ang magpo-provide kong solution para still ma-access natin yung BPI natin. Just simply go to the online.bpi.com.ph. Go to the online. Let's go now to the online.bpi.com.ph. Question: sa online bank account ba na to ay pwede tayo mag-transfer ng money? The answer is yes. I tried it. So, you can try it as well. So, just log in your information sa BPI and double check. Para na rin meron mo ng temporary solution hanggat hinahanapan natin ng solution yung threat found na lumalabas sa inyong BPI app using your Huawei phone. But again, the main reason I think na nakikita ko is yung modified version ng Huawei, lalo na yung mga latest version. So that's it for today. I hope this video will help you. And again, we will find another solution dun sa problem na na-encounter nyo. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel.